Hello friends, welcome back to yet another video of Stanley's Kitchen. So guys, today I'll be making a vegetarian recipe for all the vegetarian lovers out there. This is a very simple recipe, it's easy and quick to serve. So today I'll be making Matar Paneer for you guys. So let's go to our kitchen and make this recipe. Thank you. Welcome to Stanley's Kitchen. Let's make Matar Paneer. As you can see my ingredients, it's clearly visible on the video. I have taken 250 grams of paneer, 1 cup of green peas, 1 cup of onion that is large, chopped onion, and then we got 1 cup of tomato, medium size chopped, ginger, 2 to 3 pieces of ginger as well as garlic. Then moving on to the plate where I've got bay leaf 1, then 2 red chili, 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamom, and cinnamon stick that is 2, and I've taken 1 teaspoon of cumin. As you can see, I've got cooking oil also, that is around 1 cup. Moving on to the Indian spices, as you can see, I've got 1 teaspoon of turmeric, then 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala. Please, if you're going to use the red chili, use the Kashmiri one. And salt as per your taste. So let's make this recipe. Firstly, we will turn on the flame and heat a pan. I've added few drops of oil onto my pan. And now I will add paneer cubes and fry it. Fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. And as soon as the color of the paneer changes, we will check and see. As you can see that now my paneer are almost done, so I will take the paneer into my bowl. Okay. Now I'm going to add my onion into the same pan because I've got some oil there, as you can see, and ginger garlic also I'm going to add right away, and then I'll stir the onions for a while. Let's say 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Then later on we'll cover it. My onions have already been done. So what I'll do is, you can see the onions have changed its color. So we'll quickly add the tomatoes in it, around 1 cup, and then give it a good stir. We'll cover the pan and allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the tomato gets mushy, properly cooked. So what I'll do is I'll turn off the flame and then I'll allow it to cool for about 3 to 4 minutes, and later on we'll grind them in the mixie. Now we will add our oil into the wok, and then we'll add the herbs, as you can see. Now slowly we'll stir them into the oil. We'll keep stirring them on low flame for a while, and then we'll add the remaining of the things that are ready. Now guys, after a few minutes we will add our Indian spices, as you can see. So we'll quickly add into the oil so that it gives good color to our gravy. Stir it, see the color of the Indian spice. And then afterwards we'll add the onion paste. Stir it well. So as you can see that I have added my onion, ginger, garlic paste into the masala. So we'll give it a good stir like this slowly. See, such a good color it's going to give you. It's going to give you a very good color. Now we will cover it and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. The oil has separated. What we will do is we'll add salt in it. You can use salt as per your taste. I'm using around 1.5 teaspoon. Now we will open the lid and check the masala, whether it has cooked thoroughly or not. So guys, you can see the layer of the oil. Now I'll quickly add 1 cup of water in it. As you can see, I've got water here. We'll add 1 cup of water and then mix it well. Now guys, I'll quickly add my green peas. I've already boiled them for a minute. So we'll add this in the gravy. The reason why I have done, so that it does not shrink in the gravy. So that's why I boiled them. So now we'll give it a good stir and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. Now I'll quickly cover with the lid. Guys, now let's check and see the gravy. Okay, so guys, now you can see the oil has separated from the layer. So we'll add our paneer cubes. And then we'll give it a good stir. Okay guys. So guys, now I'll add kasturi methi in it. I've got some kasturi methi. If you got coriander leaves with you, you can add coriander leaves. I'm using kasturi methi, the fenugreek leaves. So what we will do is, my paneer is also looking good. So we'll cover it and let it cook for around 5 minutes more on low flame. Okay guys? Now let's uncover the lid and see. Oh, it looks really yummy. See guys, my Matar Paneer is almost ready. You can see it's almost ready. So now what we will do is we'll do the garnishing part. So let's move on to the serving plate. We'll turn off the gas now. Now my serving plate is ready. So let's plate it. Oh, guys, I'm sure you want to enjoy this recipe. It was very easy and you can have it with your family and friends. Now guys, speaking of the garnishing, we got cream here, as you can see, and I've got coriander leaves. So what I'll do is I'm going to garnish it with my cream. And then we'll sprinkle some coriander leaves on it. That's it. So guys, your Matar Paneer is ready. As you can see, yummy and tasty Matar Paneer. So guys, my Matar Paneer is ready now. You can serve this dish with any of your favorite recipe, whether it's jeera rice or homemade chapati. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and if you do enjoy it, then do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, that is Stanley Kitchen, and please share this video with your friends and family. Till then, stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Stay home, stay blessed. Bye for now.